There's so many different ways to be spiritual. And I love how you talked about, the mirrors. I say that, we're mirrors of each other. And if there's something that is activating ourselves when we're looking at somebody or we're watching the news or something like that, it's really something within ourselves. It's not about the person or that situation. It's something within ourselves that is stirring that up. So this is why it's important to have a mindfulness practice, to build the emotional intelligence so we don't get reactionary and pull that trigger, so to speak, and, shoot ourselves. Because it is true, it comes back to us. We don't realize that. But when we do have a good spiritual practice, building our own emotional intelligence and incorporating that mindfulness, then we can pause, we can step back as an observer and see things past that BS